Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can update the existing version of Cert Manager. So let's begin. This is my Kubernetes cluster, which is the 3 node cluster. What I'm going to do, first of all, let me bring this cluster in Lens and let me do that. So what I'm going to do, from root config. This is the container and it is mounted to /mnt, and which is this one. So I'm going to open this in VS Code and I'm going to bring this guy on my lens. I want to show you the UI way you can do, and I'm going to show you the CLI way as well. So let it open. This is the lens, which I do highly recommend for SREs and DevOps, also for developers to use it. So anyway, we are going to simply migrate our cluster to Lens. So then I'm going to click this guy and it should connect with this Cloud Geeks cluster. So you see this cluster is now available and you will see the 3 nodes. So currently, if you navigate to Helm release, you will see in default, or I should click all namespaces. You will see no releases. So what I'm going to show you in this demo, first of all, we are going to deploy this Helm version 1.61. So let me do that. And what it does, it is going to deploy the um, sorry, I said Helm version is the Cert Manager version 1.6.1 through Helm, and it is going to install in the namespace Cert Manager. So let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to also select the Cert Manager namespace. So we will see only that deployment relevant to this specific namespace, and it will be shortly available. So it is in progress. You see, installing it now. If you navigate to the workloads, click pause. You see the pods are almost up and running. This one is pending, but seems like everything is okay. And if I navigate to the Helm section releases, you will see the deployment of version 161 is successfully done. So now we want to upgrade this to the latest version, which is this one. What you need to do, what I've done, I've added the steps, but we are going to, first of all, what we need to do, first of all, navigate to the custom resource definition, which are the CRD. Select the certmanager.io. Click all these, simply remove these services, right? And once that's done, what we are going to do, navigate to the Acme Cert Manager.io, and we are going to remove these as well. So the reason of removing these, that if we have issue and asserts, let me show you that, which we have not actually applied. So we can, in the last step, you should apply those files, issuer and certificate manifest file and issuer manifest file. So now we are going to do, we are going to update to the latest version with this command, and simply I'm going to use this command. So what it does, it will update our cert manager to the latest version. And if I navigate to, let me stay here, and first of all, if I navigate to, okay, so yeah, cert manager IO, you will see these CRDs are now going to be available, and Acme Cert Manager are going to be available. And new version regarding the Helm release, the Cert Manager IO. See, the new version is almost available. And if I navigate to the pod section, um, currently it is in progress. It is not yet deployed. So you will see the time in regard to those pod deployment is going to be updated. So till then, navigate to the Okay, and let's see the time. You see, new pods are started to deploy. Once these are okay, the older version of Cert Manager pods are going to be removed, and you see all pods are terminated. And if I navigate to the release section, you see the release of latest version of Cert Manager is successfully done. So I'm not covering all the steps which I mentioned here. So what you need to do then, apply the issuer YAML and the manifest YAML and check from these commands. So currently we don't have apply any issuer cert. The stuff regarding to that I covered in my video regarding the cert manager. All the stuff you can see if you navigate to the YouTube section. Simply type Cloud Geeks, right, and click on the Cloud Geeks video section, and with the Let's Encrypt setup on Google Kubernetes Engine, you can watch this video, and every step regarding the
Burden
deployment
of
of issuer
managing
and certs
the certs is
is
going
going
to
to
be
be
available.
not on Cert Manager, what we are covering now. So that is it, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel, and have a nice day.